CA wicking hinge. 2 blocks of wood to represent an aileron and a wing, as if it was on an airplane. Then you take your CA glue and you're going to put drops on the hinge itself right up against the wood, and you can watch the hinge soak up the glue on both sides. And then the other side, right where the hinge is meeting the wood, as close as you can get. Sometimes you can't get right on it because of the covering or what have you, and that's okay. And the way that glue is working is just like this rubbing alcohol on this paper towel. See it spreading out? That's what it's doing in this CA wick hinge. And then I would move the control surface back and forth a time or two and let it sit for a while. And that already feels pretty dang tough. It needs a little bit more time than that to dry. That is tough right there. That's it, guys. It's that easy.